Steve Hopf from Ultradent Tools. I recently got the privilege to meet Eduardo Valansky from Fast PDR Tools of Brazil. What a nice guy. He presented me with a very cool blending hammer, etched my name in it and everything, and I'm highly impressed with the quality of what these guys have put together. This thing is very well balanced. It's got a nice grip. It's got magnets on both sides of the handles. It's got a cone-shaped, highly mirror finished tip on one side, and then it's got kind of a flat radius, dome standard blending tip on the other side. This kit comes with 6 different tips. So you've got the 2 plastic tips that also go on the ends that mimic the shapes of the stainless steel ones. It's got 2 phenolic tips, and it's got a small stainless steel, kind of a little dome-shaped tip for fine-tuning, along with a polyurethane tip. This kit comes nicely packaged in a nice box, and it's got a punch that they make also that goes along with it. So super well designed, very high quality. So these are available on our website, and they also make a very nice PDR tool tip set that we're gonna have available for you guys too. So ultradenttools.com, come check it out.